In a quiet kitchen glowing with the soft warmth of the festive season, something magical is about to happen. A simple recipe, transformed into a celebration of color, aroma, and joy. Today, we create a cake that carries the spirit of the islands, the sweetness of tradition, and the comfort of home. A tropical festive fruit cake, moist, fragrant, and unforgettable. Our story begins with 3 fresh eggs resting in a glass bowl. Their golden yolks glisten under the light as sugar, 150 grams or 3/4 of a cup, is sprinkled in like the first snowfall of winter. With a whisk in hand, the ingredients are brought together. Smooth strokes, soft rhythms. The mixture brightens and thickens as it's whisked for 3 beautiful minutes. This is where the magic starts. Air joins sweetness, creating a foundation fluffy enough to carry every tropical flavor that will follow. Now melted butter enters the scene, 150 grams, rich and silky. As it pours in, it folds into the mixture like sunlight blending into a quiet morning. 30 seconds of whisking, just enough to bring harmony, not too much to disturb the delicate balance forming in the bowl. Next comes the heart of the recipe, the dry mixture. Plain flour, 180 grams, measured carefully. 1 cup and 4 tablespoons. And with it, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, the ingredient that lifts, lightens, and raises the spirit of the cake. But this part requires patience, gentle movements, calm folding. No rush, no force. Just soft turns of the spoon as the batter begins to thicken, preparing itself for the flavors that will make it unforgettable. A single teaspoon of vanilla extract now slips in, warm, aromatic, timeless. Then, coconut milk, 45 milliliters or 3 tablespoons, creamy and fragrant. It streams into the bowl and transforms the batter instantly, giving it smoothness and a tropical whisper that promises something extraordinary. The mixture blends beautifully, like waves meeting the shore. Now comes the treasure of this recipe, the tropical dried fruit mix. 200 grams, vibrant, colorful, and sweet. Coconut, mango, banana, papaya, each piece a tiny jewel from nature. But only 2/3 of this precious mix is added now, allowing the flavors to melt gently into the batter. Soft folds integrate the fruits, ensuring every bite of the cake offers a sweet surprise. Another set of jewels follows. Red and green glazed cherries, 100 grams. Festive bright, cheerful. Only 2/3 are added at this stage, their colors lighting up the batter like ornaments on a Christmas tree. Together, they create a blend that is lively, aromatic, and rich with holiday spirit. Then comes the ingredient that deepens everything, white rum, 2 to 3 tablespoons. As it slips into the bowl, it carries warmth, richness, and tradition. It binds the tropical notes, lifts the aroma, and gives the cake its signature festive soul. Now the baking pan awaits, a 21x11x6 cm mold. It's greased, prepped, and ready. The batter, thick and glistening with fruits, is poured in slowly. It settles smoothly, a perfect canvas for the final transformation. Into a preheated oven it goes, 170 degrees or 338 degrees. The next 50 to 60 minutes will turn simple ingredients into a masterpiece. But there is a moment in this recipe that feels like a storyteller adjusting the final details. After 10 minutes of baking, when the top begins to set slightly, the remaining fruits are added. The remaining cherries and tropical pieces are sprinkled gently on top, creating a crown of color that will bake beautifully into the crust. As the cake continues to bake, the kitchen fills with a fragrance that feels like a warm embrace. The sweetness of fruits, the richness of butter, the whisper of vanilla, the warmth of rum. Time slows, the oven light glows, and finally, the cake emerges. Golden moist, fragrant, a masterpiece of simplicity and beauty. A light snowfall of powdered sugar may be added on top. Optional but enchanting. And just like that, the cake becomes more than a dessert. It becomes a centerpiece, a memory, a gift to everyone who tastes it. The knife cuts through softly, revealing a tender crumb dotted with bright fruits. Every slice glows with tropical charm. Every bite carries warmth, joy, and celebration. This is not just a cake. It's tradition meeting adventure. Home meeting the tropics. A festive moment captured in flavor. Perfect for the holiday table. Perfect for sharing. Perfect for the ones you love. And as the aroma fills the room and the sweetness touches every heart, you'll know, simple ingredients can create extraordinary magic. Thank you for watching. And may your festive season be as warm, colorful, and joyful as this beautiful tropical fruitcake.